Welcome everyone. I'm going to do a weekly analysis on few pairs to see where the market is heading and to ascertain if there is any trading opportunities. I will be uploading a weekly breakdown every week on Sunday or Monday morning for the traders to follow the analysis and to take advantage of the trading opportunities presented. Now, every week, either on Sunday or Monday, the recording will be uploaded on the YouTube channel, which will be available for everybody to see as a free access. And it will give you a great opportunity to understand how the market moves and also to see how I read the price action and to take advantage of it. Now, just let's begin with the first pair, which is GBP yen. So GBP yen has been in a bearish market structure, as you can see. The price has been making low high formations and a low low formations there. Let's have a look. Lower high formations. So it's clearly a downtrend, as you can see, and we're expecting the price. And if the price is in a bearish market structure, what your expectation will be that the price will make a lower low formation. That's what my analysis is, and that's the direction of the next move that I'm anticipating. Now let's break down this price action and try understand. Let's try understand and see where the trading opportunities are. I'm not going to go into a more detail, but I'll stick to a daily time frame, up till the daily time frame. Personally, when I trade, and that's a multi-structural analysis that I've developed recently in the last year, we break it down the monthly time frame up to an entries time frame on M15, M5, M1 to take advantage, so that your drawdowns are extremely small. Now, let's go into the daily chart. There we are on the daily chart. Moving averages crossing. Averages cross, tries forming a bearish movement. It seems the sellers are in control, which you've got rejection. Today's price went up, tested the moving averages, 21 EMA, and then SMA and rejected again. You can see. So what I'm expecting this week is that the price will form its view of a journey to the downside to these levels. So let's break it down further to further understand. So guys, this is a good zone to sell. So if you see rejection here based on whatever your executional rules are, executions, i.e. entries and exits are, you can take advantage to the downside. Now, that's your supply level here. So price can continue going down, or even if it retraces, this is still potentially a strong supply, and I'm not expecting the price to break this based on my reading of the price action. So I'm expecting the price to form a low high formation, carries to the downside. So the analysis is this. So these are your target levels. It's a very good trading setup, guys. And this is your trading setup here. That is your trading setup. Of course, if you are a scalper, you'll be taking repeated entries into the direction of your trading plan. Intraday traders will be trading intraday trades, opening and closing your trades during the day in the direction of your trading plan. So as long this remains valid, would I be expecting the price to make it move to the downside? And it looks to me a good trading setup. Now let's move on to the next pair, euro yen. I will be quick so that this recording is not prolonged. I've shared the analysis on euro yen again on a trading view. strong bearish price action. We had a very successful trade there, more than 200 pips. The price retraces, and I'm expecting the price to reject and carries to the downside. That's what my expectation is. Huge weekly candle engulfing close. It means sellers have taken control of the markets. Let's break it down further. So today price tried to went up, test this 124.87, rejected, sharp rejection in the New York session, price reject, came back in. So based on this price action, we have a form of shooting star formation. Previous candlesticks are bearish, moving averages acting as resistance there. So it's very likely that we'll see a price carries to the downside there to these levels. Now, if you're trading this, based on the reading of the price action, I would suggest that's what it is. It's a good trading setup. So price can stay in the range before it goes down. If the price breaches this, and guys, if the price breaches this, the question is, should you be start buying? My personal view is this remains the top, the more trend line, the resistance there. Wait for the price to give you an indication of sellers entering into the market and then take advantage again. So a strong sell setup, that's what it is at the moment, guys. If anybody is suggesting that there's a buying opportunity, then my strong view is that their reading of the price action isn't just there. So yes, Euro yen short, GBP yen short. Let's look at the dollar index and try to understand this dollar. If dollar, I've shared the analysis on dollar index also on the Telegram channel, and also on the trading view. As expected, the dollar has shown strength. Huge. This is where we are, dollar index. Now guys, these levels are very precise, extremely precise levels. And my students of learning from you, of course, know how to mark these levels. Huge engulfing candlestick. Price is in a bullish variation, rejected at this point. So if I take out Fibonacci's, it's 61.8. Nice rejection. Price reverse from there. You can see the buyers entering into the market. And my expectation is price will form its way to this weekly level. We are about to breach this monthly 97. The price has to break this before it continues higher, but it's very likely in the next few weeks we'll see price heading higher. Dollar is bullish. Yes, of course, you'll always have retracements between these bullish moves, and that's what it is. Let's move on to Euro USD, which is an inverse of dollar. We've been stuck in this tight range from last few weeks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 15, 20 weeks. Now, you can keep on, it's a bearish market structure, and within the bearish market structure, prices is in accumulation, which is bearish accumulation. Of course, if it's a range market, you can take advantage by buying at the bottom and selling at the resistance. But remember, it's a bearish market yet, so the breakout expectation will be to the downside, and I'm expecting the price this week to take out these lows and make a new low formation. So my expectation is that the price will carry on to the downside. With dollar strength, it's Euro USD movement is opposite to dollar, and that's what I'm expecting. Huge engulfing candlestick last week, shooting star prior to that. Nice trading opportunities and opportunities there. It seems to me a very good trading setup to the downside, guys. But of course, guys, don't start selling there. Wait for the retracement. Let the price forms a low high formation. as per the rules of your trading before you take advantage. So yes, price forms a low high formation. That's the first one, low formation. Another low high formation, maybe if there is a strong retracement, and I'm expecting the price to carry to the downside. Again, I've got very specific rules in terms of breaking down the price action on H4 and H1 before I break it down further onto the executional timeframes, which is M15, M5, M30, M1, so that the drawdowns are maximum between 10 and 15 pips. And you can take advantage of the reward it carries on the time frames such as H4 and H1, which is between 40 pips to 120 pips at minimum. So yes, a bit of retracement on this. Look for low high formations and take advantage to the downside. And that is the price action at present. If there is any change, of course, I'll communicate in my later lectures. Now, New Zealand USD. We are in a price has to clear this area before it turns bearish. Based on the reading of the price action, huge sellers into the market, price rejected from the monthly level, which is 67.72. But I'm expecting the price to roll over to lows and takes out this range. So let's break it down further. Sellers in the market, it's pretty strong that sellers are in the market. You can expect the price to retrace a little if there is an opposite buyer's strength, but what I'm expecting is price to carry to the downside. So to me, it's a good selling setup. Below this level, you can take advantage if when the price gives you and satisfy the rules of your execution. But to me, there is no reason for you to buy at the moment. Sellers are there, strong weekly close, suggesting dollar strength. So that's where we are. Let's look at USD CAD. USD CAD, guys. We've been in a bullish market structure. As you can see, price retraced nicely to 61.8. I'm expecting the price to rise, and that has been the case since last week. Engulfing candlestick, and where we are, I'm expecting the price to go higher on this. You might have, it's a slow pair. It's not a very aggressive and smooth pair. So you might expect a bit of range-bound market before the price goes higher. So regardless, guys, you'll need to focus on your trading setups direction and execution in that specific direction. A lot of people makes the trading plan when it comes to execution during the week, and that's where they fail again. So yeah, it's a good buying setup. I can't see any reason why you shouldn't be buying this. Today, if you had bought, you should have made then a 30, 34 pips on this. As I explained to my students yesterday night, there's a buying opportunity on it. And I am expecting the price to go further higher on this pair. So that is it for now, guys. Analysis on Euro, Yen, GBP, Yen, USD CAD, Euro, USD, New Zealand dollar, and dollar index. I will be adding more pairs to the analysis. This is just a quick video for you guys to go through and see how I see the markets. But of course, beginning from next week, we'll have a recording on Sunday night or Monday morning for the weekly breakdown and the trading opportunities that you can take advantage. And thank you very much and have a very profitable week. Thank you.